Come on in. Today we are at the Kimpton Epic Hotel in Miami, Florida. We are going to give you a quick tour of the room. First, when you walk in to the left, you'll see this is the closet and there is a safe. They give you a couple of robes and an umbrella, as well as an ironing board and iron. To the right, you can see this is the bathroom here, and it has a shower as well as a tub, 2 sinks, has a soaking tub there, and now here is the water closet. Nice and spacious. I love that beautiful deep blue color. And now as we come into the bedroom area, I love the floors. We've got a large bed here, and there's an opening that you can see from the tub outside and vice versa. And then we've got simple, it's very simple here, clean, simple lines. Got a seat there, a couple of seats here at the table. Got a large screen TV. And here on the bed, they've got some lights. These are nice in case you're wanting to do some late night reading and you don't want to disturb your spouse. And then now we are going to go outside onto the balcony. So we actually have a view today of the pool area. There are a few pools down there, and there's also several lap pools right outside the fitness center. It's a beautiful day today in Miami. We do have some seating out here, just in case you want to sit out here and watch the sunrise in the morning or watch the sunset in the evening. But I don't know how much of that we will be doing with the music playing from the pool. Hopefully the balcony doors will provide enough soundproofing. It's not too bad. And so we'll see how our stay is here at the Kimpton Epic Hotel in Miami, Florida, and we are in room 2505.